Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Now, hopefully I haven't been chicken enough and I've put it as the title of the video, but I'm now collecting, yes, a second car from BMW Park Lane. This is not a loan car. The M5 is not a loan car. This is literally cars that I've purchased for myself. So these are not going anywhere anytime soon. You can see a lot of content with them. Behind there, you can see, of course, the M5 that I've given back, which I've obviously admitted now was my loan car, but you know I've replaced with that beautiful black M5 that looks incredible. And there's some secret stuff that's happening to that car very, very soon. So make sure you're liking the video, you're subscribing to me, because come on, this is cool content. And what happens with that car, which by the way is over there, the cool stuff that's going to be on it is going to be incredible as well. Blue's going to start walking backwards and I'm going to walk over to where the car is, so you're going to kind of see it for the first time, all covered up, looking really good. So I guess the guests can start to come in now. Here it is, in the dark here. But what colour is it? That's what you don't know. What colour is it? So I'm gonna walk over here. Put the lights on, or should we just pull it off? Why not? I'll do it, right?
Just show him. Yeah.
Okay. Ready? Here is the reveal. I'm about to place an ad on the video now. No. Here is the reveal. Here is the reveal of my new. Should be a professional at that. So there it is. The M4 competition. This beautiful grey colour. Okay, it'll take a few minutes to look around the car and then I'll give you a little bit of a walk around. What?
Surprise, this week's lucky winner, his name is Jasvan Singh, and he's just won himself a brand new BMW M5.
I'm watching BOTB's video where somebody's won the M5 that I basically collected as well. So this guy's got it for basically for free.
You had to buy one.
And I had to buy one. But on that topic, this beautiful video of me collecting the M4 competition is sponsored by BOTB. Yes, that's right. BOTB are giving you lucky guys another chance to win the car that I am collecting. Now, last time it was the BMW M5, and if you haven't watched that video, you can click up there and watch that. But when I collected the BMW M5 in this basically this exact same spec, I told you guys that if you headed over to BOTB's website, you could actually win the car. And this guy won like £20,000 cash as well. So very, very lucky. So in this instance, today, I'm obviously collecting the BMW M4 competition, which means you guys can win a BMW M4. Now, don't worry, if you don't want an M4, they've got about 150 other cars that you can choose from. To win the M4, the tickets cost just £3. They've even got a spot the ball competition, which means if you guess the coordinates right, you'll win the car as well. So you play a little game. So it's super, super cheap, crazy, because if you win the car, it's worth obviously a lot more money. And I think they've got tickets on some cars that start from like 85p as well to get involved. So check it out. I'm going to leave all the links in the description as well. They have weekly winners, guaranteed weekly winners. Every week somebody wins a car. You can check it out on their YouTube channel as well. Just search BOTB in YouTube. But head to the link in the description, click the link, go and check it out. And yeah, if you win, which I feel like Jasvan Singh, who won this car, I feel like he watched my video. If you have, get in touch, and that's how you won it. Take me for a ride, please. Or let's get the M5s together. But otherwise, head to the link in the description and check out BOTB. Now, back to me collecting the BMW M4 competition. Okay, so there we have it, my all-new BMW M4 competition. As you can see, I'm going to go through the spec a little bit as well. We're going to do the first drive, we're going to do all the bits that we normally do. But of course, big thanks to BMW Park Lane, who provided me with this beautiful mineral grey exterior, which I love. Something a little bit different, not just black stuff as you've seen obviously by the M5 before. The mineral grey here in the front, we've got these adaptive front headlights here as well. 20-inch M4 competition wheels here as well, which look amazing. You guys know I love black wheels, but these do look really, really good. I like the kind of diamond turn. The finish on them is amazing. Looks beautiful. And this like concave little section here in the middle where the BMW is. Beautiful blue brake calipers. Coming around to the side of the car as well. Little black details here all around as well, so no chrome showing. Look at that. Beautiful carbon fiber full roof pack as well here as well. There's also interior carbon fiber as well in this car. Interior carbon fiber, so much on the interior that they've even put it under the bonnet as well. So you can see there it's got like a little swoop underneath as well, the bonnet. But you guys know, interior package have to always go with a light interior, and this one has got this beautiful Silverstone, I think it's called Silverstone leather, with the perforated seats here in the middle, and you'll see here it's got these kind of holes in the seats. I'm assuming it's making them a little bit lighter as well, and of course that sportier thing. I'm just looking at a ton of carbon fibre in here as well, but lots of space in the back as well. So let me show you this. Putting the seat forward, I'm going to jump in here. Don't worry, I'm losing weight, so I fit a little bit better. If I close that there, I've actually got a lot of leg room. So the seat's back and what the driver's position would be. Fantastic. Guys, get in the comments, what do you think? The M4 competition, have I made the right decision? I know, everybody's going to be saying, Anish, why have you bought an M4 competition and an M5 as well? All will be explained, don't worry about it. I'm not gone mad, I haven't gone BMW crazy. This is all for a certain reason, okay? So now, Blue, don't film me getting out, come on. I've got to squeeze out of here like this.
It's for the views.
But yeah, it's for the views, But yeah, what do we think? Let me know. Does the car look good? Because I think it looks amazing. Right, we're going to take it out of here, out of the beautiful little tunnel to take the car out. And yeah, looking forward to driving it for the first time. So that is it, guys. You see me collect the M4, obviously the M5, which you've already seen that video. And if you haven't, click up there and go and watch it, because it's a great one. You see me collect that, obviously in the previous video, and the M4 as well, which is now gone, because obviously I can't drive both cars. So one of my lucky friends gets to drive the other car back home. But I'm going to be driving this one, and yeah, let's just say there'll be more of an explanation of why is it that I know it's going to be the biggest question. Why have I bought an M4 as well as buying an M5 as well? So you'll get all of that in the next video. Don't worry. Feel free to guess if you want below. But yeah, these are all my cars. The receipts are unfortunately in there because my pockets are a little bit lighter. But yeah, so excited. Can't wait to drive this and of course get some proper drive time in the M4 because I haven't actually driven the car yet. So remember to like, subscribe, do all the other bits, and I'll see you guys again soon. Bye. Probably I'd say as a topic was one of the most popular videos on my channel, but we are talking about car financing. We're going to cover a few topics. The main topic is about how to get out of a car finance agreement.